Return on operations, or ROE, is the product of your operational profit percentage multiplied by your leverage. In this instance, the business is making 4.27 cents of profit per dollar of revenue, or has a profitability percentage of 4.27, and is generating $6.85 of revenue per dollar of invested capital. 4.27 times 6.85 is a ROE of 29.25%. Having defined the mathematics behind return on operations, now let's look into some of the theory behind our development of this key measure, this primary real-time CEO measure. ROE is our derivation of the flagship DuPont calculation return on capital employed, often referred to as ROCE. ROE, or return on operations, is in essence the interest rate that your business is generating on the capital that you have invested in your business. If you broke an interest rate down to plain English, it is in essence what you put in versus what you get out. In numerics, it is input versus output, or the investment in your business versus the profit that your business generates. The Real-Time CEO app has already allowed you to make non-business adjustments and normalization of salaries adjustments to ensure that the profit is the real operating profit. The Real-Time CEO app has also calculated the operational investment in your business by applying the rules of DuPont balance sheet recasting. Your operational investment also appears as the number at the bottom of your dashboard. To calculate ROE, we simply take our real operating profit, divide it by our investment, and multiply by 100 to get to a percentage. But if we take that calculation a little further using mathematics, we're able to understand a little more about the performance of the business. In this instance, I've inserted an annual revenue, top and bottom. Mathematically, these are the same equations. If we now interrogate that formula, what we see is that revenue divided by investment in essence tells us about the quantity of revenue that we've generated. For each dollar of investment, how much revenue have we generated? It is called your leverage rating. Real profit divided by revenue is a quality of revenue measure. It tells you how many cents of profit are in each dollar of revenue, and it is called your profitability rating. Let's have a look at that same concept mathematically. If we put $1 of revenue into a business, we're going to challenge some questions. How many dollars of revenue can be generated each year for each dollar of invested capital? And that will be influenced by your management of 4 of the 8 real-time CEO levers: accounts receivable, inventory, accounts payable, and fixed assets. Let us assume in this example that we can leverage $3 of revenue per dollar of invested capital. So our dollar becomes $3. We now ask the question, how many cents of profit are in each dollar of revenue? This, of course, is influenced by how well you manage your pricing, your volume, your direct cost, and your indirect costs. In this example, we will assume that we've generated 8 cents of profit in each dollar of revenue. So in $3 of revenue, we have generated 24 cents of profit or output, which of course, when compared to the dollar of input, gives us an interest rate of 24%. Your ROE in this example is 24%, your leverage is 3, your profitability is 8%.